The Harley-Davidson Sportster S represents a bold step forward for the iconic brand, blending cutting-edge technology with a nod to its storied heritage. Launched as part of Harley-Davidson's commitment to evolving its lineup for a new generation of riders, the Sportster S is not just a motorcycle but a statement of modern design and performance. At the heart of the Sportster S is the Revolution Max 1250T engine, a liquid-cooled, V-twin powerhouse delivering exhilarating performance. With 121 horsepower and a flat torque curve, the engine ensures a thrilling ride across various conditions. The lightweight design and low center of gravity further enhance its agility, making it a joy to handle on winding roads and urban streets alike. The design of the Sportster S is a departure from traditional Sportster aesthetics, leaning towards a more muscular, aggressive stance. The high-mounted exhaust system, inspired by flat-track racing, and the broad, chunky tires give it a distinctive profile that commands attention. Every element, from the minimalist LED lighting to the digital instrumentation, reflects a modern approach while staying true to Harley-Davidson's DNA. Rider experience is at the forefront of the Sportster S, with advanced technology enhancing both performance and safety. The motorcycle features selectable ride modes, including sport, road, and rain, allowing riders to adapt to varying conditions with ease. Additionally, the cornering-enhanced ABS and traction control systems provide an extra layer of confidence, particularly for less experienced riders. The lightweight frame and responsive suspension system ensure a smooth and dynamic ride, whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the open highway. With a focus on ergonomics, the low seat height and mid-controls offer a comfortable riding position for a wide range of riders. Optional accessories, such as a passenger pillion and backrest, expand its versatility for those who wish to share the journey. While staying true to its roots, the Sportster S redefines what a Sportster can be. It caters to both traditional Harley-Davidson enthusiasts and a new generation of riders seeking performance, style, and innovation. The motorcycle's bold approach signals the brand's commitment to embracing change while preserving the spirit of freedom and adventure that has defined Harley-Davidson for over a century.